Guys, today is Friday, March 27th, and I'm gonna share with you guys a life hack. Okay, so today says how to turn Kool-Aid into Gatorade. Mix 32 ounces of water, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid. It tastes almost identically. Okay, so let's try this right now. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this. So for this, I'm gonna, I collected all the ingredients. We're gonna need a glass, some water. So I don't have regular salt. I don't have regular salt. I have Himalayan pink salt. I have a spoon to or something to stir. Sugar, and I have the Kool-Aid. So it looks like 32 ounces of water is what the book suggests, but I don't need all that, so I'm gonna just use I'm gonna use a quarter of it. So 32 ounces divided by 4 is 8. Okay, so this bottle is approximately 17 ounces, but I'm gonna use half of it, and it should do. So that would be a quarter of what they actually want us to use. Okay, so all right, I think that is half. Okay, the second part is to add sugar. So the book suggests that that we use a quarter cup of sugar, but since I used a quarter of the dose of the serving for the water, then I'm gonna use a quarter of the sugar also. So a quarter of a quarter is 1/16, and 1/16 of a cup is equivalent to 0.5 ounces. And these are cubes, sugar cubes, and each cube is 0.08 ounce. So to make it 0.5 is like 6 cubes approximately. All right, so 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then for the salt, it says a quarter teaspoon of salt. So I have the Himalayan salt. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. It might not give the result it's supposed to give, but whatever. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt like this, and then half a packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid. So this is the Kool-Aid I chose. It's unsweetened. So a quarter of half is 1/8. So how am I gonna? All right, let's see. All right, so let's just say, oh, it smells good. All right, anyways. All right, so 1/8 of this is like this, I think. All right, that's more than 1/8. Ooh, this is grape flavor. Okay, now I take the spoon and wipe it off. Now I take the spoon and I stir. Make sure I break the cubes, the sugar cubes, so that everything mixes normally. It's scary how dark it is. It's like, wow. All right. All right, let me taste it. Oh my God. This tastes exactly like Gatorade. Oh my God. It tastes like the blue Gatorade. Oh my god. This is actually true. And you know, I didn't even have the exact doses for things, but I guess I did it right because it tastes. I'm telling you, it tastes exactly like Gatorade. So try it and let me know in the comments how that worked out for you. Now, see you guys in my next video. Cheers.